Karnataka is facing a potential drinking water crisis as poor southwest monsoon rainfall has sharply reduced water levels in the Krishnaraja Sagar Reservoir and the Kabini Dam. As of June 25th, the KRS reservoir stood at 81.08 feet, holding 11.390 TMC feet of water against its full capacity of 124.80 feet. It recorded an inflow of 577 cusecs and the outflow of 1668 cusecs. During the same period last year, the water level was 109.60 feet, nearly 28 feet higher, and of the current storage, 4.400 TMC feet is dead storage. 3.11 TMC feet has been allocated for irrigation and 3.979 TMC feet has been reserved for the drinking water needs of Mysuru, Mandya, Chamarajanagar, Bengaluru, several other towns and cities in the Cauvery basin. KRS Assistant Engineer Kishore said the basin districts require 2 TMC feet of water every month to meet drinking water needs. The Kabini Dam holds only 4.68 TMC feet of water against its full capacity of 19.52 TMC feet compared to 15.89 TMC feet during the corresponding period last year. It had reached full capacity for the first time in 45 years due to heavy rainfall in Kerala's Wayanad region. Executive Engineer Vishwanath warned of a possible drinking water crisis due to poor inflows. The reservoirs also support irrigation and provide water to wildlife habitats including Bandipur National Park, Nagarholi National Park, BRT Wildlife Sanctuary and the MM Hills Wildlife Sanctuary. Karnataka State Sugarcane Growers Association President Kurubur Shantakumar urged the government to conserve water to the Kabini Reservoir. Public Works Minister Satish Jarakiholi said Maharashtra had declined Karnataka's request for additional water from the Koyna Dam, citing its own water shortage. Deputy Chief Minister G. Parameshwara directed officials to prepare for a possible Super El Nino event and drought conditions. Officials said 122 taluks are facing drinking water stress, with 139 villages receiving water through tankers and 669 villages depending on private borewells.